So hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I'm guessing you're here because you want to get great video ideas that will get you inspired to create bomb content for your audience. You're in the right place. Whether you're a new YouTuber who just created a channel but you have no idea what to start with, or you have a few videos out there but you really want to get great ideas that can get you more subscribers, more views, and to get monetized fast, or you're a grown YouTuber who already has videos but you have no idea what you want to do next, you're in that creator's block phase, then you need to stay tuned to the end of this video. And at the end of this video, I'll also be telling us of 7 special ideas away from the 50 plus that you can delve into in case you have that personality type that is selling real big in YouTube this year. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the videos and I'll be reading it out from my jotter. First on my list is how-to video, guys. You can never go wrong with this. People are constantly checking on YouTube how to do this, how to do that. How-to videos are evergreen. Number 2, prank videos. But please be careful who you're pranking and how you go about it, just to be safe. Number 3, DIY videos or do-it-yourself videos. You can teach just anything. People need to know how to get things done themselves instead of always paying others to get it done for them. This next one is a get-to-know-me tag where you get to answer questions about yourself so that your audience get to know you better. Just make it fun and it to sell. The next is chit chat get ready with me, where you get to talk to your audience about a specific or random issues. Just make it very constructive and interesting and you'll get your audience hooked. Next is cooking or recipe videos. If you're the cooking type and you have good recipes you want to show out or showcase, please by all means go ahead. Just make it a little bit aesthetically pleasing, so that your video will be interesting to watch. I mean, it's food. So the next is girl talk or boy talk, depending on whether you're a boy or a girl. Maybe you want to talk about things about girls or boys that are not really often said. Just make it also interesting and engaging, and you got your audience hooked. Next on my list, guys, is reaction videos. These can be reaction to songs, reaction to other YouTubers' videos. Just keep it respectful, okay? You can react to just anything as long as you're carrying your audience along. They know clearly what you're reacting to. You can react to anything. Next is morning and night routine. You can either share it, morning routine one video, night routine one video, or you make it into one. That's your choice. But you just to show your audience how you run your morning or how you run your evening. A lot of persons want to see so that they can also improve on their own routine. People come on YouTube to learn things every day, so take advantage of that. Next is challenge videos. You can do things like never have I ever challenge, truth or dare, or truth or drink. Just make it quite engaging and fun so that you get your audience hooked. Another one is room or office makeover. You want to show people how you do your office makeover or your room makeover, especially when there is a before and an after, and when you carry people along the process. People love to watch things like that here on YouTube. Motivational videos, guys, they are selling hot these days. I don't know why, but I think people just like motivations a lot here on YouTube. The search for motivational videos is very high currently, so please delve into it. If you know you have the talking skills, and you can actually motivate an audience, then go ahead. The next one is also very vast. You can never go wrong with this, story times. But I bet you need to be a good storyteller for you to excel in this kind of video. If you are good at telling stories, just pick a nice topic, whatever it is. It could be about you, could be about somebody else, or your experience. Just tell it. People love to listen to stories, and the good thing about it is, as long as your story is interesting, they'll stay to the end of the video. You can also do life hacks, relationship advice, or how I edit my YouTube videos, my YouTube thumbnail, or my IG reels, or my IG pics. The next is product review. Just make sure that you have already used the product and you have like a first-hand experience on whatever it is that you're reviewing. You can do tags, friend tag, husband tag, sibling tag, etc. You can do behind the scenes. People love to see how you get your stuff arranged and how you set up behind the scenes, okay? You can also do giveaways. Trust me, people like giveaway videos. You can do YouTube struggles, YouTube mistakes, or YouTube success stories. People love to hear stuff like this so that they can also learn and take corrections and also get inspired from your success story. You can also do top apps you need for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. You can do vlog, guys, vlogs. They sell a lot here on YouTube. You can do investment, finance, or how to make money videos. You can't go wrong with that, guys. People always want to know how to make money, and that sells a lot. You can do your skincare routine. People love to see how you get your good skin, especially if you have a very nice skin. People want to know how you achieve that. You can do hauls and thrifting videos. You can do transformation videos. Just make sure that you have the before and the after of it. You can do maybe your own transformation, transforming your home, transforming your face, your looks, okay? You can do workout routine, you can do music covers, unboxing videos, you can try TikTok hacks. You can also do recreation videos, maybe recreating other people's recipe or video backgrounds or studio setups, you know, things like that. You can also do mukbang. People love to watch people eat, especially when you're not being messy about it. Just make it quite appetizing, you know. You can also do organize with me or clean with me. You can do trends, you can do makeup tutorials, you can do a day in my life, you can do YouTube video ideas video like this one. You can do hair care routine, you can do public interviews. Just make sure it's not scattered, it's clean, and it's, you know, engaging. You can do blank must-haves like nursing mother must-haves, okay, stuff like that. You can do feminine hygiene videos, you can do marriage advice. You can also do what's on my iPhone. Just make sure it's fun and it's something useful, okay? You can also do how to get monetized on YouTube. If you're already in the YouTube partner program, you want to teach people how you got there and how they can also get there seamlessly, okay? You can also do how much I earn on YouTube. Trust me, people love to watch content like that, okay? So you can put it out there and you get lots and lots of views. You can also do what's in my bag, what's in my hospital bag, what's in my travel bag, stuff like that. And the last but not the least is compilation videos. Now that you've stayed up to this point in this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section which of these videos you're going to be filming first. And like I promised at the beginning of this video, I said I was going to give us 7 extra video ideas and niches that you can go into in case you fit into that category. The first on my list is subject teaching. If you're a school teacher or you're a private tutor, you want to take advantage of it, you don't have to do your lessons only in a class or with a private student, you can as well come on YouTube and teach various subjects you know you're good at. Even parents who want to subscribe to your channel for their kids to always be hooked up to. You also want to check out gaming videos. If you're a game freak or a game lover, you can do game recommendations, or you can also teach people how to play certain games, or you can also do online competitions with your friends. It will really be fun for people who love gaming, okay? The next is decoration videos. If you're an interior or an exterior designer, this will really be in your favor. You can also teach people how to make simple designs, okay? Everyday decoration designs, and maybe even event planning tips that can sell. And the next is working from home videos. Because of how our society is today, a lot of people still work from home, but they find it really difficult to be productive. So if you have good points or tips on how to work from home and still be productive, or how your own routine is, you can make it into a video and people will be hooked. You can also do celebrity gossip video, guys. This is so lucrative because people are just naturally nosy. They want to know about celebrities. So if you have like a real legit juicy gist about any celebrity, you can turn it into a video, and I'm sure you're going to have tons and tons of views. The next one, guys, is dance tutorials. If you're a great dancer or you're good at any dance skill, you can turn it into a video, guys. People come here on YouTube to learn new dancing steps. It's amazing, guys. So if you know you're good at any dancing style, please do come here on YouTube, make a video about it, and you will see tons of views coming in. And the last but not the least in this category is comedy videos or comedy skits. As you can attest to it here on YouTube, there's a high demand for comedy skits here, and it's doing so well. If you are good in comedy, or you're just naturally funny, or you can make skits whatsoever, guys, you are going to have tons and tons of views. People love to come here and just relax and laugh away their stress, okay? So if you know you can do this one, you are going to invite tons and tons of people to your channel. And having said that, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and now you have no more excuses to make videos. Please go ahead and shoot those videos. We are waiting to see them here on YouTube, okay? Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comment section once again if you are going to do any of these videos and which of them. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.